Hey guys, it's Tanya Marie and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I wanted to give you guys a Primark haul. So I popped into my local Primark a couple of days ago, picked up a lot of great bits. Now I'll be honest, I didn't find that many clothes, but I think that was down to the shop in general. I mean, it's only in North London, so it wasn't sort of a centralised store. But I did find a variety of great things which I'm keen to show you. Anything that I can try on, I will try on throughout the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. So the first thing that I want to show you is a home accessory. Now, as you can see from some of my videos, I am obsessed with the copper rose gold colour. So my theme of my room is white grey with rose gold accessories. So when I saw this, I fell in love. It's just literally a basket. It was £3. I thought it would be great to throw in some palettes, some foundations, and stick it on my shelf. So amazing. So the next thing that I want to show you guys is a pair of heels that I bought, and it's these nude quartz heels. I fell in love with the colour instantly. The texture is a sort of suede-y feel, and the height is actually pretty good as well. The quality seems absolutely fine, and they cost £12. So we're back to home accessories, and the next thing I want to show you guys is these over-door hooks. Like I said, I'm obsessed with the rose gold colour, and I thought that these would look really nice hooked on the back of my door, or even my wardrobe doors to stick some scarves and belts. And yeah, they're really shiny and I really liked them, so they were £2. So the next thing that I want to show you guys is this face mask kit. Now, I'm obsessed with homemade face masks, and I was so excited to see this. I usually just use disposable like Tupperware boxes and an old brush, but it's amazing that I found this. I mean, it's only £2, so it was just brilliant. So yeah, you can expect to see some homemade face masks using this. So the next thing that I want to show you guys is these hoop earrings that I bought. Now, I'm obsessed with hoop earrings, as you can see, and I was so happy to see that they were literally two for £1.50. Amazing. One pair is textured and one is smooth, and I quite liked that the hoop was a little bit bigger. I'll just show you guys. So yeah, you really cannot go wrong with this price. So the next thing I want to show you guys is another crop top that I picked up. It's also got the tie front detail, and I did love the floral pattern of it. I also like that it's a t-shirt, and it's got that sort of stretchy material too, and it cost £5. So this is the top on. I actually didn't realise that the tie wasn't at the front. It sort of wraps it around to tie at the back, but I actually really like that detail. The front, I like the cut, I like the t-shirt of it. It's really comfortable to wear and it fits really nice, I think. So I paired it with a black denim skirt, and I'm actually really happy with the outfit, so yeah. So the next thing I want to show you guys is an obvious purchase. I mean, where else would you go for cotton pads than Primark? 120 for 50p, please. That is amazing. Literally, I go through these so quickly, use it for my cleansing water to take off my makeup, and I literally wouldn't go anywhere else to buy them and spend that much money. It's amazing. So the next thing that I want to show you guys is this pair of gym leggings. I try to go to the gym as often as I can, but I don't like to spend too much money on gym wear. But I saw these for £5 and I thought I just had to try them. I really like the colour of them, and the quality actually seems really good, and they seem to be high-waisted, which would be amazing. So we're back to home accessories, and obviously it's going to be something in rose gold, and it's these 5 metal hangers. I fell in love with the colour. Like I said, I really love the colour, but I also like how wide the hanger is too, and I thought they would look really, really cute in my wardrobe. So yeah, they are 5 for £3. So the next thing I want to show you guys is this pair of black ankle socks. I'm obsessed with my trainers. I practically live in them most of the time, and I always am in need of black socks. And I literally wouldn't go anywhere else other than Primark. I mean, you get 7 for £1.80, a bargain. So the next thing that I want to show you guys is this crop top that I bought. I'm really into my patterns at the moment, so I fell in love with the design instantly. It's got this tie front detail and flared sleeve. It doesn't seem to have any sort of give to it, but obviously as a tie front it should be fine. It's in a size 12. It was the only size available on the shop. It was sort of stuck behind some other clothes, but let's just try on and see how we go. And this cost £8. So this is the top on. I really love the colour and the design of it. I think it looks really nice against white. It's a little bit more cropped than I would have liked, but I think maybe for holiday it might be something quite nice. It's not fitted, it sort of just like drops. Even if I tie it tighter, it still sort of drops, but I kind of like that. and I love the sleeves. So yeah, I think I'm going to keep this and definitely take it on holiday with me. So I also picked up a load of makeup goodies, which I'm going to quickly run through with you. I've always been keen to try the Primark makeup, and next week's video I'll be doing a Primark makeup video so I can show you the products in more detail, but I thought I would just whiz through everything now just to show you guys what I purchased. So I'm just going to show you everything from my rose gold basket. So the first thing that I picked up was the Nude Edit eyeshadow. It comes in 9 shades, which I really liked. Next is a eyebrow pencil. So it's got the little brush on the end, and this cost £1 in shade Granite. And then I also got this Radiant Primer, and this cost £3, and also purchased the eyeshadow primer, and this was £2. And I also found my Perfect Colour Matte Foundation. This cost £3, and I picked up the shade Sand, so we'll see how that looks next week. And I also bought a strobing highlighter cream for £2, and last but not least, a matte lipstick. So yeah, like I said, I will show you guys the products in more detail next week during my makeup video. So guys, that's it from me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and liked all the products shown. Please feel free to comment below, and if you like what you see, subscribe, and hopefully see you guys next week for my next video on the Primark makeup tutorial. Thank you, bye!